Hello little artists, and welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we have a super fun and colorful project for you. We're going to learn how to draw a rainbow sunflower step by step. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, take your black marker pen and draw a big circle in the center of your paper. This will be the center of our sunflower. Now, let's draw the petals. We'll have a total of 11 petals. Draw them like big teardrops surrounding the circle. Next, draw a straight stem coming down from the sunflower. To complete our sunflower, draw 2 big leaves coming out from the stem.
La da 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 dee.
Make sure to make the outlines bold and sharp with your black marker pen. This will make our sunflower stand out. Inside the circle, add some small dots using your black marker pen. These are like the tiny seeds in the center of the sunflower.
Yay!
Let's start coloring. Use bottle green to color the stem. Make it nice and green. Now, use a light green marker to color the leaf. It's going to look so fresh and vibrant. At the base of our sunflower, add some brown for the soil. This is where our sunflower grows. Back in the circle, add some tiny orange dots. These will be like little highlights in the center of the sunflower. Now, make the entire circle yellow. This is the bright and sunny center of our sunflower. Time to add the rainbow colors to the petals. Start with purple on the first petal. Keep going. Sky blue. Light green.
Wow!
Yellow. Orange. Red. go. Sky blue. Bottle green.
La da 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 dee.
Yellow. And finally, orange. And there you have it, a beautiful rainbow sunflower. You did an amazing job, little artists. I hope you had as much fun as I did creating this colorful masterpiece. Remember, you can always use your creativity to make each sunflower unique and special. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.